Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm just showing you guys what's still in my stockpile. So if you guys haven't checked out that video yet, be sure to go check it out. I will have it listed in my playlist down below. But some of the things that I still have here are here, like shaving gel, body wash, face wash, deodorants, men and women's, air fresheners, soaps, dish soap, wipes, Lysol wipes, toilet paper, fabric sheets, cleaner, detergent, and a big bottle of detergent. I still have a good amount. Y'all excuse the mess, I don't live here. This is just where I keep everything at. So then I have a good amount of makeup storage in this bin. I still have a good amount of toothpaste in here, good amount of toothbrushes, flossers, and then down here band-aids and like makeup remover pads. If you come over here, I have a bunch of pads still. I'm so glad that I have these. I do tend to take some into work, and then they kind of like piggyback off of that and bring in some as well. And then over here I have all of my pods. So I am going to take this one home that I saved in here. But yeah, all of my Tide pods and stuff like that, my Gain pods are in here. And the last one over there is where I keep all of my razors. These are just some of the items that I'm choosing to take out of my stockpile this week, to home and also to make baskets or basically share with someone else. So some of the things that I chose to grab was like Axe and things for your face, deodorant, and some of the hand soaps, as well as air fresheners, lotions, makeup, pads, and razors, toothbrushes, toothpaste, and laundry detergent items that you guys see here. Okay, so if you guys are at the end of this video, you'll see that I clearly took a couple of things out of my stockpile and I'm going to take it to my house. I keep everything over here at my grandmother's house because they have extra space that I don't have. So I'll show you guys exactly what I do take, just to show you. So I decided to take some Purex 4-in-1, some laundry detergent, as well as the Tide Pods that I had already broken down when I first started couponing. And then I also decided to take the Mr. Clean, 2 bottles of that because the Fabuloso was on recall, and I did have 1 bottle over there. And I also took some Lysol wipes as well as baby wipes. And then decided to take some toiletries home as well as some air fresheners and just some room fresheners, the Renews It. I also decided to go ahead and stock up on more of the air fresheners as well as hand soaps and some of the things for face washing and things like that. If you've made it this far in the video, thanks guys so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed this stockpile video to show what I have in my stockpile, and I hope that it influences you to go and create a stockpile of your own, start couponing and putting things to the side.